Hello my friends, your family author Dr. AP. Now this video is a message to the whole world. Already I have given the message to my country India, my state Maharashtra. But I have come up with this video message to the whole world. Last 1.5 years, whatever has happened in this corona, according to me, a general physician, general practitioner, everything was wrong. The major wrong thing was lockdown. See, according to me, masking, distancing, sanitizing, see, these all were just something precautionary method which is only written in the books, which will practically it is not possible. Few people sitting in WHO, 10 people, 50 people, 100 people you consider, they said that do this, do that, and then you will get prevented from corona. Unfortunately, the whole world took it so seriously that they forgot humanity. Actually, they forgot how to live. Crores and crores of years, viral infection is there. Every year, every time, every year viral infection comes. It spreads, man. It will spread. Viral infection, when 50% of population, any infection, viral infection, 50% of population is affected, then it automatically stops. Okay? So in 2020, when everything started, this corona, at that time if everything would be same as usual, if everything would be same, nothing, I'm telling you, this scenario would never have happened, never. Only one message was to be brought in front of the whole government and to the public of the world, that there is a virus called coronavirus. It will affect everyone, but check your oxygen. If your oxygen comes down 92, 91, 90, less than 90, then go to the hospital. That's it. That was the only ultimate message which was to be given by all the government of the world. But it got totally wrong. General practitioner, general physician, nobody asked us. We are the ones who are fighting with cough, cold and fever since many years. Cough, cold and fever is not the cup of tea of hospitals. Hospitals are meant for emergency. The whole world, rich people, common upper class, middle people, simple cough, admit hospital. Fever, admitted in the hospital. Everyone, COVID. What is going on in the minds of the government of the world? I don't know. I'm very sad and upset. Whatever happened, people lost their job. They lost their bread and butter. This is so, I was so sad. China, strong country. He did lockdown. He must have done so for some reason. Europeans did it. Europeans did means Indians will surely do it. A very sad part for me. We follow. But it is a loss of the world. China must have done due to some reason. Swine flu, when it had spread, it had come some African country somewhere. Nobody did lockdown. So many viral infections come. Nobody did lockdown. Lockdown is totally destruction. Only and only destruction. Unfortunately, even today in many parts of the world, lockdown is still going on. Lockdown? How can you stop spreading viral infection? You will stop it. You will stop COVID by lockdown? By distancing? You will get prevented from viral infection. Masking is for people who are suffering from cough, cold and fever. They should use masking. And nobody is mad that who's sneezing, who's coughing. They'll go outside and roam around in the malls. They'll go around and enjoy. Hey, everyone is concerned of their life. It has become totally, I have seen humanity dying. And that is the reason I brought this video today in front of the world. That whatever happened, utmost wrong. It's a request at least now to the government of the world that please improve. Viral infection is viral infection. It will come, it will go. Herd immunity will come. So please stop it now. Kids, the new generation is in total danger. New generation online classes. Parents are taking their kids to roam around, picnic here and there, far, but they are not ready to send their kids to the school. Where there is physical activity, there are so many millions of people in the world have not sent their kids outside for the fear of COVID. It is a total loss of the new generation. Total loss. We have totally done a very wrong step. Whatever has been done, it's done, but at least now we should stop this. Let everyone live. Everyone has got the right to live. It's not only government people that here only government people are allowed to go to work, or some essentials, chemist shop, clinics, hospitals are allowed to function, groceries. But common people, no, stay inside. Huh? So ridiculous. They are not human beings. Only we are human beings, like we are essential. It's nothing like essential and non-essential. Everyone is important in the society and everyone has got the right to live. Everyone has got the right to live their life fully. Total absurd of sanitizing. People have gone mad. I have seen public going mad. Troubling others. But today, after more than 1.5 years after COVID, now the public have forgotten here, please. Public have forgotten. Public wants to live. I am telling to the whole world. Stop everything. Let everything go like earlier. Because life was only one year. Don't destroy it because of COVID. COVID is a simple viral infection where you should only distinguish by your pulse oximeter. Wonderful machine. Wonderful. Let it be COVID. Don't do any checking. I am telling, don't do any antigen RT-PCR. It is ridiculous test because it comes also in asymptomatic patients. What will you do by asymptomatic? And one more thing. People think only corona spreads. You have to be away. All the viral infection spreads. Any viral infection spreads. It will not stop by distancing. One more thing, my friends, I have already told that just imagine a virus from China. It's spread in the whole world. But just imagine, if in your house, if somebody has got COVID, you try to stay away from him and you try to keep him isolated. You say, keep him isolated. Abey, just apply your logic. The virus has spread in the whole world. It will not come to the other room. It will not come to in the building. It will not come into a road. Everything. My God, lockdown. I am so sad. I am so upset. Disappointed. Now, educated people, they think everything is right. They will say, no, doctor is telling wrong. Distancing, masking is important. Just imagine, it ultimately spread. It ultimately did spread. Those people who are using masking, sanitizing, they also got affected. Who are very strictly using sanitizing, masking, distancing, even they have been affected, even they have died. And those people who have used nothing, they have not get affected. They must have got COVID, they didn't get any symptoms. They are fit and fine. So my friends, the message is only this much. That see, if you have got comorbidity, diabetes, blood pressure, old age, then you have to be careful. You have to take care that you should not get infected, but you will get infected. Remember one thing, nobody will get saved by COVID. Never. So please, my friends, understand the message to the whole world. I have come here to explain that COVID or coronavirus or any viral infection does not spread, does not stop spreading by distancing, masking, and lockdown is the worst thing what the government of the world, I'm telling you, the world, they have done. So my friends, please, at least understand, stop everything, earn, do something in your life, work hard, continue working, then life will be good. Fear, panic, don't mislead the crowd. Again, I am telling only few people in the WHO, they made a rule, something that do this, do that, but they never told lockdown. I don't know lockdown. Who told that we all had to follow? The whole world followed it. I really hope that now we all will improve and will please allow everyone to live happily. Viral infection will come, viral infection will go. It will not stop by anything. Masking, distancing, sanitizing. These are just for your mental satisfaction. Remember one thing, only for your mental satisfaction. It is nowhere proved. Your family doctor, if he is good, he will explain you. That's it, my friends. Today's topic was the message to the world that only and only pulse oximeter is important in COVID, because this will distinguish that yes, this is COVID. There are many other diseases, but usually right now in this scenario, if your oxygen is less and you have got cough, cold, fever, then you come under COVID, corona infection. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP, my friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.